So friends, let's see today's lovely recipe of Bakarwadi. Now I'm going to start with the dough. So I've taken some maida, some chickpea flour, a little bit of ova or ajwain and a pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix everything well together. Now all the ingredients along with their exact measurements are in the description box below. Now here I've just heated up a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to pour this over the flour mix. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. And then by adding a little water at a time, I'm going to knead this into a dough. Now your dough should be nice and soft and elastic like this. And we're going to set it aside for 10 minutes. Now in that time, we're going to roast a little bit of sesame seeds or tir and set that aside. Then we're going to roast some fennel seeds or saunf along with a little bit of grated dry coconut, and we're going to roast this till you get the lovely aroma of the fennel seeds as well as the coconut, and it has to become a little bit golden brown in color. Now you can see the color of the coconut has completely changed to a lovely golden brown. Now we're going to transfer this to my mixer pot, and I've also transferred the tir, and now I'm going to add some red chili powder, some goda masala or kala masala, some coriander powder, some cumin powder, a little bit of salt to taste, and some powdered sugar. And we're going to grind all of this to a nice coarse paste so that everything gets mixed well together, and this is how it will look. And even the aroma of this filling is so amazing. Now I'm just going to add some shev, not a very fine shev and not the very thick shev, the medium shev. Now I'm going to roll out my dough as thin as possible. Now I'm going to just brush on some tamarind chutney, tamarind and date chutney. I have a recipe for this too. I will link that below, as well as I have a recipe for the goda masala. I'll link that below. Now just spread out this mixture that we made and flatten it out completely so that it sticks to the. Now we're just going to very tightly roll out the dough, and then we're just going to cut it into even size. Now here I asked my husband Abhijit to help me out in cutting this. It has to be really tightly rolled up, and then just shape it up so that it is firm enough so when you're frying it, it doesn't disintegrate. So just cut them all up and keep them aside. And then we're just going to heat up a little bit of oil on a low to medium flame, and then we're just going to fry them till they're nice and golden brown. And once they're fried, we're just going to drain the excess oil on some kitchen napkins, and then we're going to let them completely cool so that they become lovely and nice and crispy. And friends, you're going to really enjoy this treat.